continue watching. Okay, watch and get paid. Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials.
Buy or sell WTI and Brent crude with.
We'll be looking at an amazing app that pays you instantly just by performing a little activities. Okay, all you just need to do is to make sure you have a smartphone, have a network connection, and navigate yourself to your Play Store and download Givi Video app. Okay, let's go to the Play Store. I've downloaded it already, so you go to your Play Store and download yours. And to make it easier for you, I'll be dropping a link that will take you directly to this app. Okay, this is the app, cash earning app Givi Video. Okay, so let's go back here. This is the app. Now on this very app, I have signed up already, and if you do not know how to sign up, I'll drop a video that will show you how to sign up. Okay, if you look at the top left hand side here, you can see the coin I have achieved so far, which is 1566. Okay, which is 10,566. You can see the coin I have achieved so far. So on this very platform, all you just need to do is very simple. Just watch video and get a lot of cash out. Okay, so now I'll take you to the dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. Okay, you can see a lot of movies here. All you just need to do in this very place, just continue your activities, run your activities, and get paid for your activities. Okay, all you just need to do is just watch any one of your choice. Here you can see. Okay, all you just need to do is watch any one of your choice here. So in this very place, I have 10,566 coin, which is equivalent to 0.057 USDT. Okay, the moment you make enough here, all you just need to do, it will be automatically converted to USD. You don't even need to stress yourself about the conversion. It will be automatically converted to USDT for you and be ready for withdrawal. Okay, the minimum you can withdraw in this very platform is 0.3 or 0.4 or so. You can see how fast and reliable this is. This is 100% legit. You don't need a doubt. Okay, so let us walk through some of those things and see how they really works.
Looking to get into crypto but don't know what broker to choose? Well, you could go to one of those mainstream crypto exchanges, but then good luck with your bank.
Okay, you can see the ads just played and it just stopped. I will have to click on this star here to get this view eliminated. Okay, so what you just need to do, get back to my wallet balance at the top left hand side and check. It was previously 10,566, now it's 11,366. Okay, new video, get plus 800 reward. Okay, let's do it together again. Okay, get it. Okay, you can see how this really works. Okay, you can just come to this place now and click on which one do I want to watch. Click on the video view and let's see how it works.
Ultimate.
Okay, you can see this one also has played completely successfully. All I just need to do now is to click on this star. I will not want to get the app now, but if you like, you can get the app if you think it's necessary for you. Okay, I'll still cancel it. Now it will play me the video that I was here to watch. And now if you check out at the top left hand side again, which shows my balance, it has been increased from 11,000 to 12,166. Okay, you can see this is very amazing. You can always click here to get a reward. Let's do it together and see. Let me click here to get a reward. You can see the given reward I'm going to get here is what is 2,000 coin. Okay, I'll click it. So in this very place, what they just want me to do now is to download a Givi short reels. Okay, they want me to download a Givi short reels, which I'm not going to do that currently. I'll just play the ads and see what's going to come up. Okay, this still insisted that I should download the app, of which I don't want to do it now. So we are going back. We're going back to our app. Okay, now we are back to our what? To our app. So since I did not complete this job, there will be no increments on my balance. Okay, so now that you know how to perform these tasks on this very place, all you just need to do, just watch those ads. Keep watching the ads. That's all you need to do and get paid. Okay, so I would like to show you this place. If you go down here, let's see what this place is showing. You can create your own playlist here. Don't forget, you can as well create your own playlist here. You can come to this place. This is where you listen to your favorite musics and get paid. Okay, do your daily activity, your normal, go about doing your normal daily activities on this very platform. Listen to music, watch videos, and you get paid for it. These are some of those things you do for free in other platform. Okay, so you have to do here and get paid. So one of the most fascinating thing about this very platform again is that the referral programs. Okay, click on this plus. So all you just need to do is to refer your friends and get paid. Each successful friends you referred, you get 20% of your friend earning for a lifetime. No ending, non-stop. Okay, so all you just need to do is to copy your referral link, of which I'm going to drop my own at the comment section and also at the description section of this very video, so that you can use it to sign up and let's keep chilling together. Okay, so in this very last place now is where I can check my balance and as well a lot of profits that are here for me to make. Okay, in this very place they will show you the best offer for a day. Today best, you get 150 million coin. Okay, what do you need to do here? Fill in the survey and increase your earning. That's just what you need to do here. The second one says, the second one is from Tapjoy. Complete the task and get big reward. How much are you getting here? 150 million. Okay, give it social duo. Download social duo up and start earning money. You see, so these are the special offer for the day. You can just go into them, run the offer off, and get a lot. Okay, let's try doing the first one together. Let's see what the survey is all about. Let's see what the survey is all about. I've just clicked that. So let me see. It's loading up. It says patient a little. You can see new Bible offline app audio. Okay, new Bible offline app audio. This is the offer. Let's see what the survey is. Someone ate all the survey. Oh my god. So all you just need to do in this very place is just keep checking, keep checking, and you gain what you have. Okay, what data do we collect process? Agreed. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, we click on more coins. So let's see where this one is directing us to. So as you can see, that one has a lot of activities. It's going to take us 5 to 10 minutes to conduct this very survey, of which I'm not going to do it now. You can all do it and keep earning a lot. Okay, let me check custom offer. In this cases, you get a lot of offer too, but these ones have not yet started. All you just need to do, keep checking. What about the start offer? Um, some of you guys have heard about offer wall, right? Okay, this first one is from the offer wall. This second one is from the offer wall as well. The third one and the fourth one is also from the offer wall. Just conduct a survey and keep earning a lot of coins. Okay, and about their own offer, these ones have not started. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I don't want the video to be too long. If you don't have any question, please drop it at the comment sections and I'll get to you as soon as. So that is it. Don't forget, I'll be leaving my referral link at the comment section and also at the descriptive section of this very video. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't miss any part out so that you can see exactly how this video works. Okay, So if you find it good to yourself, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that whenever I drop any valuable content of this very nature, it will get to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.